Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. What brings you to the park today?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emily. I just needed some fresh air. How about you?
Same here. It's a beautiful day. So, Emily, what are you doing in your free time?
Well, I love reading and trying out new recipes. How about you, Alex?
That's cool. I enjoy playing the guitar and going for hikes.
That sounds wonderful, Alex. I'd love that. So, what do you do? Work or study?
I work in marketing. It's challenging but interesting. And you?
I'm a graphic designer. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family: my father, mother, brother, sister, and me.
Does your family live in a house or an apartment?
We live in a house in the countryside.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital.
How old is your mother?
She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's her name?
Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary.
It's been great getting to know you, Emily. How about we exchange numbers and plan that hike we talked about?
Absolutely, Alex. I'd love that. Here's my number. Looking forward to it.
Great. I'll text you and we can figure out the details. Enjoy the rest of your day, Emily.
You too, Alex. It was really nice meeting you. Take care.